Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. This white flower is bloodroot. It has medicinal properties, but it's not what we're looking for today either. But I do love it. It's such a pretty flower.
Hi.
I am looking for ramps, but this is a often thought of look-alike. It is little violet, and it has spotted leaves. Not what we're looking for today. I found this abandoned bird's nest. Looks like one from last year. Nobody's home yet this year, though. So these are what we're looking for. These are wild ramps, and they have a solid green leaf and then a red stem and an onion-like bulb at the very bottom. And I'm not really going to harvest many. I forgot to measure them, so they probably weighed a little bit more before they wilted, but 14 grams of wild ramps today, just enough for ramp butter. Recipe to follow. If you like my content, please like and subscribe so I know what kinds of videos I need to make more of. Thank you, Rebel Canners.